juice jacking. Now, it's a word which is very uncommon, and once you hear this word, you wonder what this exactly means. Today, I'm going to talk about juice jacking in this video. Now, it's basically, if I have to explain in a very simple language, you must have seen people charging their mobile phones through external USB ports on airports, on railway stations. These services are normally provided everywhere. So once you are putting your mobile phone through the USB port and charging your data, that charging of data can be used for hacking purposes. Your entire mobile data can be manipulated, can be stolen, and can be misused. So this is the basic crux of this video. So the power and the data cable which we see in the public charging station provides unauthorized access to attackers during the charging process. It leverages illegitimate access to get our personal information, which is taken away. It is a type of cyber attack which originates from USB charging port installed at public places such as airport, cafes, bus stands, etc. So once the device is plugged in and the connection is established, it either installs a malware or secretively copies sensitive data from a smartphone or any other computer device. So this attack could be as simple as extracting your contact details and private pictures, or injecting malicious code directly into your devices, which will then copy all the passwords of your financial data. Now we all know that how sensitive our mobile phone has become. Everything which we do on our mobile is related to our financial transactions, our personal life, our privacy, the pictures which we click. So your entire history of everything which you do is there online. And just imagine if that is compromised by a person who is having malicious intent. It can be misused and you can be in trouble. So how does this work? What is the basic way to steal data from your mobile phone while it is getting charged? Now, USB port is often used as a medium for data transfer. A regular USB connector has 5 pins. Where only one is needed to charge the device, 2 of the other pins are used for data transfers. As we all often charge our devices via USB port, it may tend to open the option to transfer the files between the devices. The attacker here often uses the off-the-shelf hardware that gets installed on the charging port of public charging boards. These are specifically designed to breach security and gain access to connected devices information as soon as the connection is established. And you may lose your data even without knowing it. And that is how dangerous it can become. California Los Angeles Country District Attorney Department has already issued alert to local residents and travelers to avoid charging phones at public charging places, especially in airports. In December 2019, State Bank of India has also issued warning to its customers about this deadly mobile malware. The 2 most common harm the juice jacking can do is data theft. Data is stolen from the connected device. There are crawlers that can search your phone for personal information, account credentials, banking related credit card data. These crawlers have the ability to copy all the information to their own devices. There are also malicious apps that can clone all your phone's data into another phone. So once the connection is established, this malware automatically installs in the connected device. The malware remains on the device until it is detected and removed by the user. There are many categories of malware that cyber criminals can install through juice jacking, including adware, crypto miners, ransomware, spyware, or trojans. So the next question is, how can you protect your data from juice jacking? The most important thing which you need to do is do not charge your mobile phones at any places such as airports or any public place. carry your own charger wherever you get the opportunity. Charge through your own charging point, through your own charging charger. So keep your devices fully charged or carry personal charger, power bank with you. Lock your phone. Locking your phone means complete locking of your phone. Switch off your phone or power the phone down. Use specialized cables. Use a USB cover. Now this can avoid this kind of uh, malicious intent, and this can prevent your privacy and security as well. Thank you.